Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You begin by measuring ingredients precisely. 3 tablespoons olive oil, 1 tablespoon vinegar, and 1 tsp Dijon mustard. Combine the mustard and vinegar first. Doing so helps the mustard dissolve and stabilize the dressing. Once mixed to a smooth paste, add salt, pepper, and optional honey for balance. Make sure to whisk briskly for about 20 seconds so the acid integrates with the mustard. This step creates the base that will hold the oil when you emulsify. You now emulsify by pouring the 3 tablespoon oil in a slow, steady stream while whisking. Patience here creates a creamy, stable vinaigrette. The 3:1 oil to acid ratio is a reliable guideline, but you can tweak it for thinner or thicker texture. Once the emulsion holds, fold in minced shallot or chopped herbs for complexity. This is where flavor builds. If you want a sweeter note, stir in 1 tsp honey. Make sure each addition is fully incorporated before moving on. You finish by tasting and adjusting. Add a pinch of salt, a dash more vinegar, or a touch of honey until balanced. Transfer the vinaigrette to a jar and refrigerate. It keeps about 1 week. Shake before using because gentle separation is normal. If the dressing breaks or separates, don't worry. Re-emulsify by whisking vigorously or blitzing in a blender while adding 1 tsp warm water or an extra drop of mustard. This restores texture quickly and saves your batch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.